Hey Geeks, Avión welcomes you to our new video. Boeing 777X, twin engine jumbo jet. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. The 777X reflects the trend towards long-haul twin-engine aircraft. Despite various delays to its production, the Boeing 777X is highly anticipated aircraft. The stretch fuselage 777-9 variant is said to overtake the 747-8 as Boeing's and indeed world's longest airline. Most interior design features of Boeing 777X are derived from the company's popular 787 Dreamliner. 777X is actually umbrella term for next generation variants of Boeing's popular 777 family. The 777X was launched in November 2013 with two variants, 777-8 and 777-9. 777-8 provides seating for 384 passengers and has range of 8,730 nautical miles, which is 16,170 kilometers, while the 777-9 has seating for 426 passengers and range of 7,285 nautical miles, which is 13,500 kilometers. The 777X features new GE9X engine, which is highly bypass turbofan, developed by GE Aviation exclusively for Boeing 777X. The GE9X engine has larger fan made up of advanced material like CMC ceramic matrix composite with improved fuel efficiency by 10%. It is rated as 110,000 lbf of thrust, which is 490 kN of thrust. The new composite wings with folding wingtips, which reduces its wingspan when on the ground and provide more lift and less drag in air. Key features are greater cabin width and sitting capacity, and updated modern technologies to enhance operation. Like 787 Dreamliner, the Boeing 777X will also include larger windows, giving passengers the best view in the skies. The atmospheric advantage is the cabin will have improved higher level of humidity. In Jan 2020, Boeing 777X made its first test flight, and recently long-range testing has also begun. Boeing recently announced that it now expects the 777X first delivery to occur in 2023 to Lufthansa. All in all, the Boeing 777X looks to be a very exciting aircraft family for everyone involved. It will benefit operators with its long range, high capacity and increased efficiency. Meanwhile, passengers like you and me will greatly enjoy its cabin design features. What do you make of the Boeing 777X interior design features? Are you looking forward to seeing the type enter the service? And what more in aviation do you want to know more? Let us know your thought in the comment below. Follow us on Instagram at Avión, link in the description. Hasta luego. See you on next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon.